Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn and understand how to monitor Jenkins instances in your local machine using Prometheus and Grafana. So this video could really help SR engineers who are trying to get better themselves with minimum tools. So before going into the details, welcome to my channel. Okay, so to get started with Jenkins monitoring with Grafana and Prometheus, so we need these binaries and then installation. So I already installed Jenkins in my local machine and it is up and running as you can see here, and I have many Jenkins jobs here. Okay, and then I downloaded Prometheus and Grafana from their respective websites here. From Prometheus download page you can download the Windows installer, and then similarly for Grafana you can go to the Windows platform and then download the zip file, and just unzipping the tar files here would be like installation completed. So next what? So we need to configure Jenkins instance with the Prometheus metric plugin. So in Jenkins we have only one plugin that we need to install in our Jenkins instance, that is called Prometheus metrics. So this is a plugin, and now go to your update center and then install this metrics plugin. So once it is completed, if you go to the configuration of your Jenkins instance, you can see the Prometheus configuration here. This is a default configuration. So with this, you have ready with your Jenkins instance, that is uh, providing the whole your Jenkins instance metrics data to Prometheus. So by default, Prometheus metrics plugin will be exposing an endpoint here called Prometheus. So if you go to this Prometheus endpoint, so you can see Prometheus is already scrapping all of your Jenkins instance metrics. So if you look at the success rate of this build count of job 1 of Jenkins, so it is showing as 5. That means 5 builds are being successful. If I go to this job 1, I can see all my builds are showing as successful. So a total 5 builds are there, and it is showing the same metric here. Okay, now we are ready with the data, right? So we need to integrate this metrics data to the Prometheus dashboard. How we can do that? So just go to your Prometheus configuration, and here you can see the configuration file. This is our YAML configuration that we need to update the settings or metrics in Prometheus. So we need to add our Jenkins instance in this YAML configuration. So how to add? So go to your scrap configuration section here. Similarly, like this endpoint, we need to have another section here. So I already have saved that one. So just copy this one here, and then okay, update the uh, new job name with Jenkins, and then metrics path. My metrics path is Prometheus because Jenkins by default will be having this Prometheus endpoint because of this Prometheus metrics plugin. And then my target is localhost 8080. Just I'm saving the configuration and go to this folder, and then you can just run this executable. So now it is listening on the port 9090. So this is a default port of Prometheus, and it is loading the configuration file prometheus.yaml file, which we have just updated with our Jenkins instance metric, right? And it is saying service ready to receive web request. Good. I'm browsing the Prometheus dashboard localhost 1990. Yes, that's it. So our Prometheus dashboard is up and running right now. So our targets are available at this drop down. So if you go to this target, you can see two endpoints, right? So one is a Prometheus. So Prometheus itself will be monitoring its own dashboard. So that is a 9090 port, and our Jenkins instance is showing up here with the label called Jenkins because I have updated the job label name as Jenkins here. Okay, so if I go to this graph, right? So click on the graph, and if you select any Jenkins metrics here, so these are all coming from my Jenkins instance. Okay, And default, if I go to this builds failed count and then click on this execute, and you can see the values are available here. Sleep for 30 minute job. There is a Jenkins job called sleep for 30 minutes and it is showing the value 2. That means two uh, two builds have been failed on this Jenkins job. Okay, I'm just going to this Jenkins job to see if it is the same metric that is showing or not. Okay, and if I go to this one and I see two bills have been aborted, that means in Jenkins actually these bills have been treated as failure, and it is showing the same thing here. So this is how actually Prometheus is configured. Prometheus dashboard is configured to scrap all the metrics of your Jenkins instance. Now we need to integrate this Prometheus dashboard to visually uh, monitor the metrics in Grafana. Okay, now let's integrate this from this dashboard to Grafana. So I'm going to the Grafana installation folder, go to the bin and then just start the server, and it is listening to the port 3000. Just going to the Grafana dashboard on port 3000 and my Grafana dashboard is ready. So first I need to add the data source. So Grafana is providing a lot of data sources here and Prometheus is one of them. I'm just selecting this one. You can name it anything here. And then the URL of my Prometheus dashboard, and then just click on save and test. My data source is working properly. Now you need to create dashboard. So in Grafana you can create a dashboard entirely new thing. So you need to add query and then choose the visualization, or you can import already existing dashboards from internet. So Grafana website, if you go to the Grafana website, you can see a lot of dashboards are already available here. So I'm just searching for the Jenkins here, and you can see multiple dashboards already available. I'm just selecting this one, and you can just copy this ID here and paste the ID. Okay, so select your folder and then just click on import. See now all of my Jenkins metrics from Prometheus. The data is collected by Grafana and the data is visually shown in graphics and lot of other panels as well. Executors health, resource usage of my Jenkins instance, and how many jobs are in queue, processing speed, everything is shown up here. So I'm just running one job here, build now. So one job is running right in my Jenkins instance, and if you look at this one, so executor in use, it is showing as one here because one of my job is running here, so that's what it is showing is one executor in use. So this is how you can actually integrate your Jenkins instance with Prometheus. So Prometheus will collect all the information, all the data from your Jenkins, and this data will be visually shown in Grafana. So this could really helpful if you are running multiple Jenkins instances for your CI/CD and you want to monitor everything, your Jenkins health check or job health check and each of everything, right? So all of this can be controlled and monitored in Grafana. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video.